Hey there, folks. If you're tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or dealing with the hassle of using communal laundry facilities in your apartment building, I've got just a solution for you. Introducing the HABUTWAY 17.6 portable twin-tub washing machine with gravity drain pump. This compact and powerful washing machine is perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and any other space where a traditional washer and dryer just won't fit. With its twin-tub design and 17.6 pounds capacity, this machine makes it easy to wash and dry your clothes quickly and efficiently, saving you time and hassle. Not only is the HABUTWAY washing machine easy to operate, with 3 different washing modes to suit your needs, but it's also designed to save water and electricity. Its compact and low-power design means you can enjoy high-quality washing and drying without wasting resources. Plus, with its separate time control and noise reduction features, you can run this machine anytime, day or night, without disturbing your peace. But perhaps the best feature of all is its portability. Weighing in at just around 30 pounds and with a compact size, you can easily move and transport this mini washer wherever you need it. It's perfect for small spaces and can be connected to any faucet, making it incredibly versatile and practical. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the laundromat and hello to the convenience of doing laundry at home, click the link in the description to get your hands on the HABUTWAY 17.6 portable twin-tub washing machine with gravity drain pump today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and lifestyle tips.